Hello from Bali! It's my first time here and I just got here. I'm in Canggu right now. I caught a super early flight this morning. Woke up at 4 a.m. I'm so tired, but I took a nice nap on my way from the airport to just now where I had brunch. Backtracking here to talk a little bit about logistics. I actually booked all my to and from airport transportation through Klook. This is not sponsored, I just think it's fantastic. I booked it ahead of time and I didn't have to worry about potentially getting scammed or overcharged by local taxis because of language barriers. So highly recommend it. I'll leave all the links in the description box and you guys should definitely check it out whether you're going to Bali or any other country in Asia. Just now where I had brunch. It was so good. If you guys are ever in town, you have to go to the Shady Shack and get their, what was it? It was jackfruit tacos. Super good. It's a vegetarian restaurant, but everything is super flavorful. And I also love that when you order their juices, the straw they give you is a papaya leaf stem straw. So eco-friendly and it's just awesome. So I'm in a good mood because I am all caffeinated. I changed into my bathing suit, but before I head to the beach, I am going to give you guys a quick room tour of the awesome 2-story Airbnb that I just checked into. Let's go. Came back from the beach, now back at the Airbnb. I'm heading out for dinner now. I'm going to switch into my heels once I get to the restaurant, and then I'm gonna take some pictures. So see you guys in a bit. Got flashlights ready. We are going to hike up the mountain in time for sunrise and I'm so excited. Super tired. It's a lot colder than I thought, so I should have brought a jacket. A little bit of context here. This is a hike up an active volcano in Bali and I have to say this has got to be one of the most physically challenging things I've ever done in my life. Maybe it's because it was really early in the day. I haven't had coffee. The tour guide gave us an option of going up the easy path, which motorbikes can actually drive up, so it's very nicely carved out, or going up the difficult path. So obviously being me, I was like, all right, no, I didn't come all the way here to go up the easy path. Chose a difficult one and it was really tough because there were some rocks I had to climb up that were as high as my waist. So definitely very physically demanding, but 100% worth it. And the top of Mount Batur was absolutely beautiful. We are at the top getting ready for the sunrise.
So my name is Ketut Bakat. That's my name actually. I'm the tourist guide here.
Oh, you have a
also we have monkey here. Monkey they wanna drink for. And here, a lot of people before they not can go to school because people down here on this area mostly just farmer.
To elaborate on what my trekking guide told me, tourists coming to Mount Batur has actually been really helpful for the local community because the money is going towards helping them fund their kids' education, which is incredibly meaningful. I booked my private trek. It was a package that included transportation as well as a visit to a coffee plantation where you can see how they roast the coffee beans and you can also buy it and drink it and sip it, and it's super awesome. And basically I just highly recommend this if you guys are going to Bali. morning. It is my last day here in Seminyak and I am very excited because today I will be heading down south to Jimbaran. But before that, I'm going to be grabbing lunch and today is going to be pretty much a very chill day, so let's head out. I need to give you guys a tour because it is so freaking awesome. When you walk in, there's a little pool with a jacuzzi. The coolest thing is that over here, they provided not just beach hats and not just robes, but also a beach bag. How cool. So thoughtful. How crazy is that? It is dinner time now and I am dining right by the beach. You can hear the ocean waves. You can't really see it. You can't really see it. But tonight is going to be a seafood dinner night and I'm very excited. It's a candlelight dinner. Look! Good morning, everyone! Last night, because I slept so late, I slept at like 4:35 a.m. I didn't feel like putting on makeup, but I have a very lovely breakfast spread here and it's gorgeous. You've got fresh fruits, you've got egg white omelet, and a bowl full of carbs, which is my favorite. So I can't not take Instagram photos. So I was using the hat and also a fan as prop to try to see if I can take nice photos without showing my face and maybe just my smile. So I will show you guys a little bit of the behind the scenes.
I wanna take this time to write this rhyme and tell you how I feel. Your energy is everything. You make me feel so real. Each time you make me laugh, you say the sweetest thing.
I just finished my massage. I feel like a new person now. My arms are like jelly. Everything is so like soft and mushy and I feel like water. But I feel so good and I think the best part about the massage is not just the massage and like the coffee scrub and the flower bath, but also the fact that I can't remember the last time I just laid on a bed and didn't, one, just pass out from just sheer exhaustion, or two, just not think about anything. Like usually when I lie down, I'm like, okay, so tomorrow morning I need to go do this, I have this meeting, I need to go do This massage reminded me of the fact that I should take more time out of my schedule and daily life to just relax because I haven't gotten a massage in so long. And so if you guys are ever feeling stressed or you're always on like go mode, make sure you know, casually book a flight to Bali, come to Belmont and Jimbaran and then get a massage. It's just so nice. In the meantime, I'm going to lounge around for a little bit, have my snack, have some coffee, and I will see you guys in a bit. Bye! We're going to 4 temples today. They're all within the hotel, like the resort. Oh, so nice. Oh, I feel like I'm in paradise right now. Under the shade and on this lovely hammock, I feel like I can fall asleep for hours. And then you can see the ocean from here. Why hello there. I've obviously changed up my look right now. Wearing a super pretty red dress and gold accessories and high bun and these clip-on earrings because your girl does not have pierced ears. I'm really feeling this look today. Alrighty. I changed back into the dress that I was originally wearing this morning. Let me show you my outfit. I'm wearing this kind of green dress and it has like this black lace at the bottom. Anyway, I'm very excited for tonight's dinner. I briefly looked at the menu and it looks so good. Oh, I'm so excited. The last 2 hours truly relaxing. No IG photos, no phones, no nothing, and I am all packed up getting ready to leave. I'm so sad. I'm gonna miss our butler. I'm gonna miss all the staff here. They were so friendly. But it was a really nice time here and I can't wait to be back. Next time I come back to Bali, I'm definitely gonna try to come here again, and we'll see you guys. Bye-bye.
I like the way you talk, I like the things you wear. I want your number tattooed on my arm in ink, I swear.